Are you someone who wants to make lots of money as an affiliate entrepreneur? Or you are someone who is already into affiliate marketing but not able to generate consistent income and you want to break through? In this episode, I am going to talk about four essential elements of affiliate marketing which no one is talking about, but these are integral ingredients for your success. By the way, if you stay till the end, I am going to reward you with an incredible free bonus. So put the blinders on and walk with me. Hey, my name is Suneel Hegde. I'm a digital entrepreneur and built multiple successful businesses online. But my hot favorite is affiliate-based business because it is simple. When you compare the cost, the return on investment is way higher and the time duration to start earning is very quick. So without further any delay, let's hit the mind map and start diving into today's topic. Let's quickly look at what I'm going to cover in this episode. First, I'm going to talk about the concepts. After that, I'm going to walk you through the 4 P's of affiliate marketing, the 4 essential elements of affiliate marketing. And at the last, I'm going to reward you with free bonus. Now, let's start with concepts. You might be having this question, Sunil, everything is fine, but I don't know what is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is nothing but you as an affiliate entrepreneur promote someone else's product or services and you make a commission when you make a sales with your own effort. Let's take a real life example for your better understanding. Let's say you want to travel from point A to point B, from your home to the airport, but you don't own a car. There, a connector called Uber, without owning a car, they will help you reach from point A to point B. They will help you connect with the car owners as an end customer. So as an affiliate entrepreneur, you do the same. You will be a connector between the brands you want to promote, the product or the services you want to promote, to the target market, the end customer who needs that solution. Fair enough? If you really want to know more about affiliate marketing, in the description, you can check a video. Even above my head somewhere, you can see the link. You can go and check it out. Now, let's move on to the next section. The 4 P's of affiliate marketing. Let me be very, very clear. If you do not understand these essential elements and you do not implement in your affiliate marketing business, you are setting yourself for a failure. These are the backbone for your success. So pay close attention and understand everything. Yeah. Now let's look at the first P, which is product. What is the product or the service you want to promote, you want to sell? It might be a pen, maybe a marker, any types of physical goods, or you want to promote digital goods like courses, or you want to offer services such as online coaching, consulting, web designing, graphic designing, anything for that matter. What is that product or the service you want to promote, you want to sell? If you want to know more about where to find products, how to find products which are in demand, in the description, I have given a link for another video, or you can find a link above my head. Go and check it out. Yeah. Now, let's look at the second P, which is price. What is the price of the product? Low range, mid range, high range. What is that? Yeah. The beauty of affiliate marketing business is you need not worry much about the product or the price because you are not going to create any product. You are just promoting or selling someone else's product and the price is already set by the product owner. The only thing you got to worry is to find the best product with the best price for your target market. If you want to know more about how you can view all these 4 elements in your business and you can build super profitable affiliate marketing business in just 30 days, we have a free masterclass. In the description, I have given the link. You can go and register. Yeah. Now, let's look at the third P, which is promotion. How are you going to reach out to your target audience? Who is your target audience? What are the methods or the mediums are you going to use? You can use Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter. You can use paid promotions, free promotions. How are you going to do that? That is all about promotions. Yeah. And the fourth P is the platform. When someone clicks on your ad, someone clicks your link in your post, where are they going to head to? Majority of the affiliate entrepreneurs do the mistake by sending directly to the brand's website, product owner's website. That's why they're failing miserably. You got to have your own website, your own hub, your own landing page, where you can capture the leads, you can nurture those subscribers, you can build your own tribe. That is going to be very, very important. Okay. Now you might be thinking, Sunil, thank you so much for telling all these elements. I understood this. I'm going to implement. Will I be successful? Unfortunately, you won't. Write down in your notepad congruency. When there is a congruency between these four P's, the product, price, promotion, and platform, when all these four elements sync together, then only you can have successful affiliate marketing business. For your benefit, let's take an example. Let's say the product is going to be video course. Okay. And the price is going to be around $2,000. By the way, we have a video course called Affiliate Marketing Academy. We believe in that high value price for that product because it is not like a normal course. It is a step-by-step practical implementation where within 30 days you can build your super profitable affiliate marketing business. Okay. Now, the promotion method, since it is going to be a video course, I'm going to use YouTube. Okay. And the platform is going to be my own website. Yeah. Let's recap. Product is going to be video course. The price is going to be $2,000. The promotion channel is going to be YouTube ads. And the platform is going to be my own website, my own landing page. Okay. Now, let's tinker one of this P and you'll see everything will fall apart. Instead of video course, let's say I'm going to promote or sell a book. Although the content is going to be same as video course, maybe more than that, no one is going to pay $2,000 for a book. Yeah. Let's keep it video course and $2,000 as a price. But the promotion channel, I'm going to use a SMS marketing. Do you think someone will see the message, click on the link, see the video and purchase this high value product? A video course? Highly unlikely. So it is very, very critical. You got to ensure there is a congruency between each of these elements. If you want to continue learning more about affiliate marketing, click or tap on the video on your screen. Don't worry, I have not forgotten your free bonus. In the description, I have given a link. Click on that link and download my ebook, Affiliate Marketing Blueprint, for absolutely free. If you got value out of this video, give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I can't wait to see you on my next video. Bye-bye.